What's going on, guys? Blizzard Unboxing here, and today I'm bringing guys a brand new video. And in this video I'm going to show you how to properly make G Fuel. So what you're going to need is a shaker cup with about 16 ounces of water and 3 ice cubes. Next up, what you're going to need is your G Fuel flavor. You can use any G Fuel flavor you want. I'm going to use the sour faceberry G Fuel flavor. Okay? So yeah, and then scooper is already in there, so yeah. So first step is open your G Fuel. Okay, then open your shaker cup. Okay. Okay, so basically this top part is to put it inside a water bottle, but I have a shaker cup, so if anybody you have a water bottle, then put it in. No, don't put any yet. I only put a scoop in. So I got a scoop, and now what you want to do is put it inside your shaker cup. I have a sour faceberry shaker cup that comes with this one, which is this G Fuel flavor. Alright, so let's do it, guys. Here, actually I'm gonna get the camera to come closer. So just put it in. And then you just put the scooper back in. And I'm gonna set the camera up real quick. Okay. I'm just gonna close the G Fuel flavor. Make sure it's nice and tight. Let's put that right. I'm gonna put it on the side for now. Then you close your shaker cup. Nice and tight. Don't let any water come out. And you close it. Shake it for at least a minute and 20 seconds. Let's get started, guys. Make sure all the ice and powder is crushed up. How you can tell if the ice is not crushed up, if you like this, you can hear it in there. And make sure there's no powder at the bottom, and that's all dissolved properly. So like about a minute 20 to a minute 30 seconds will be fine. Like this video and subscribe, guys. Comment down below what you think of this video, and if you could give me any tips. Alright, so now that we shake it up, it's ready to drink. So you pop it open, just like this, open.